Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Nomadic Investing. Today we're diving into a hot topic. Will Trump pump the stock market if he wins the 2024 election? We'll break down his chances of winning, how his presidency might impact the stock market, and what experts are saying. So stay tuned. Donald Trump, the 45th President of the United States, is once again a leading candidate for the 2024 election. First, let's see what are his chances of winning. According to recent polls and headlines from credible news sources, Trump remains a strong contender. His base is highly motivated and his campaign strategies are more refined than ever. A recent analysis from the Wall Street Journal highlighted how Trump's support has been steadily increasing, especially among key voter demographics. But what does this mean for the stock market? Now, question arises, what does the historical data says about stock market performance during his previous term? If we analyze the stock market performance during his term, we saw significant tax cuts, deregulation, and a strong push for economic growth. These policies led to a substantial market rally, with the S&P 500 growing by nearly 70% from his election in 2016 to the onset of the pandemic in early 2020. Next question I ask myself, what could be the potential policies and their impact on the stock market? If Trump wins again, we could expect similar policies aimed at boosting corporate profits and market performance. However, it's not all guaranteed gains. Remember the trade wars? While Trump's protectionist policies aim to benefit American industries, they also introduced significant volatility. The stock market reacted sharply to each new tariff and trade negotiation. So, what's the opinion of the experts? Experts from financial institutions suggest that while a Trump presidency might initially boost the market, the long-term effects would heavily depend on the global trade environment and domestic policies. Let's dive deeper into specific sectors that could be affected. Tech stocks, for example, might see a mixed impact. On one hand, deregulation could benefit big tech companies. On the other hand, increased scrutiny over data privacy and international competition might pose challenges. Similarly, energy stocks could see significant movement. Trump's emphasis on fossil fuels and deregulation might boost traditional energy sectors, but it could also slow the momentum of renewable energy investments. Healthcare is another crucial sector. Trump's past attempts to repeal the Affordable Care Act created uncertainty. If similar efforts are renewed, it could lead to volatility in healthcare stocks. Now, let's discuss the financial sector. Trump's deregulation policies previously gave a boost to banks and financial institutions. A similar approach could reignite growth in this sector, especially with proposed tax cuts. But what are the potential downsides? Increased national debt and deficit spending could lead to long-term economic challenges. Additionally, geopolitical tensions, particularly with China, could introduce market instability. Finally, let's address the latest headlines. According to latest credible news source Al Jazeera English, Trump's legal battles and controversies continue to make headlines. These factors could also influence market sentiment and investor confidence. In conclusion, while a Trump presidency might initially boost the stock market through pro-business policies, it's essential to consider the broader economic and geopolitical implications. Investors should stay informed and be prepared for potential volatility. So, what do you think? Will Trump pump the stock market if he wins the 2024 elections? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on politics and the stock market. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll break down the latest in market trends and investment strategies. Thanks for watching.